The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 has been finally launched in India, and the all-new motorcycle replaces the Thunderbird 350 in the brand's lineup. The new Meteor 350 is available in three variants: Fireball, Stellar and Supernova, and prices start at 1,75,000 rupees, going all the way up to 1,90,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom Chennai. The new 350cc cruiser resurrects the Meteor nameplate from Royal Enfield's history, but the model is newly developed with a twin cradle frame, new single-cylinder engine and all-new electronics. The new 349cc air-cooled motor develops 20.2 brake horsepower and 27 Nm of peak torque, while paired with a 5-speed gearbox. The engine gets a balancer shaft and an overhead camshaft replacing pushrod units that makes it more free revving than the Thunderbird. The bike also comes with Bluetooth connectivity with turn-by-turn navigation while riding on alloy wheels with tubeless tires. The new Royal Enfield Meteor 350 will compete against the Honda Highness CB350, the Standard Java and the Benelli Imperiale 400. Tata Motors has launched the new Harrier Camo Edition with prices starting at 16,50,000 rupees ex-showroom Delhi. The new special edition is available in XT manual and XZ automatic variants and comes with a number of cosmetic upgrades. The new Harrier Camo Edition gets the stealthy new camo green paint scheme that seems inspired from the jungle, while standard editions include the 17-inch Blackstone alloy wheels and camo badges on the exterior. The interior gets the Blackstone finish on the dashboard, new Blackstone leather seats with contrast green stitching, and gunmetal grey inserts through the cabin. The Harrier Camo Edition is offered with two additional pack options, Camo Stealth and Camo Stealth Plus, which further add cosmetic upgrades like special camo graphics, Harrier mascot on the bonnet, roof rails, side steps and front parking sensors. The interior accessories package gets backseat organizer, scuff plate, sunshades and more. The camo optional packs are priced from 26,999 rupees onwards. The Mini John Cooper Works GP Inspired Edition has been launched in India and is priced at 46,90,000 rupees ex-showroom. Only 15 units of the limited edition model will come to the country and can only be booked online. The new Mini Cooper John Cooper Works GP Edition pays tribute to the original and comes with the racing grey metallic color scheme with a contrast finished melting silver metallic roof, mirror caps, John Cooper Works rear spoiler and carbon fiber inserts. The cabin also gets spruced up with a leather Dynamica finish with the GP badge. The steering wheel is also draped in leather with contrast red stitching, and the 3D printed paddle shifters again get the GP badge. The model is powered by the 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo petrol engine that produces 228 brake horsepower and 320 Nm of peak torque. 0 to 100 km per hour is done in just 6.1 seconds thanks to a quick 8-speed automatic transmission.
If you like that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.